Tiptoes. Hi, Declan. Oh, hi, Declan. Oh, are we walking on our tiptoes? Okay, everybody up on your tiptoes, stretching right up to the sky, and let's all walk on our tiptoes together. Do you feel tall like a giraffe? Can you touch the sun and the clouds? Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Since that day I live in a dream.
Try bigger steps now on your tiptoes. Do you feel like you're floating? Bye, Declan.